Okay, hello guys, I got another exercise. Add two numbers. It's about the two linked lists that needs to be added. So we got the 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. So we're gonna add the 2 plus 5, that's 7, 4 plus 6, that's 0, and to carry one number. And there's the 3 plus 4, pretty straightforward and only needs an implementation. So what we're going to do is introduce some kind of so some kind of a summator, sum variable that is going to handle the rest of the number. So in this case, when we got the 0 and 6, so the sum is going to be 10, and the 0 gonna land here because we're going to add only the modulo. And for each iteration we're going to divide the sum by 10, so we get the 1 in the next iteration. We can add a 7 plus 4 plus 1, and it would be 10. Pretty straightforward. I know this and our companies. Here you are, Amazon. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, we need to introduce some node 1 L1 and var node 2 is equal to L2, just bring a copy, and var head is equal to new list node of 0. That's the convenient way to do it. And at the end we're gonna return the head dot next. Okay, and now var current node is equal to head, and the current node is going to be building all the result, right? This whole out result. Okay, so let's go. Now also we need to add some sum, and while we're going to loop through until one node is not equal to null, or node 2 is also not equal to null. And let's go with that one. So first of all, we need to divide that. So we got the for sure the divide version. In the next iteration we need to divide it so that we don't have a big number, just the tens remaining of the number. Okay. So if node dot 1 is not equal to null, then we're going to do something, and that something is sum plus node dot 1 dot value, and we need to iterate this node dot 1 dot next, and the same is going to go to the node number 2. So there is going to be a node 2, and just copy paste it here. So we got the same behavior for node number 1 and node number 2, and we get the summation up to date. So now we need to the current node updated, and the current node is equal to new list node of sum and the modulo 10. So now we got the remaining of the 10. Now we need to current is equal to current dot next. Okay, so as far as I can see, we got everything propagated, the summations, and now at the end of the process we can we have the possibility to have a 1, like the last carryover, like it would be 9999, and there will be 9 and 9. So the 1 would appear at the end of the at the end. So we need to check that if sum is equal to sum divided by 10 is equal to 1. Okay, then if it's equal to 1, then that means that we get the carryover. So we need to current dot next is equal to new list node of 1 and current, and there is no need for next value, and we got it. So if this is 1, let's check it. We got it. Let's check it further, and we got it. Yep, thanks. That's pretty straightforward. Probably not a medium, probably a little bit easier. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, and subscribe.